Hello wonderful YouTube family. Today we are going to talk about how to be successful in anything you desire right away. So, how do we do that? How do we actually become successful in anything? Is it like the right formula to do this and then you do that and then you have success? Is it so? If it was like that, I think everyone would be successful just by sharing with the others what worked for them and applying it over and over again. Let's say, for example, you want to make a lot of sales in selling your particular product. So if it was so easy just using a step-by-step guide, mental guide, logic, that means you would know exactly what to do to have your sales, like post this, have your site, post it into here, share with you, collaborate with this one, and so forth. And then you have a lot of clients that want to buy your product. But this is the beauty of being successful. Everything that you really do is in regards to other people, so they get to have a saying in you having success in anything or not. And that is actually because we are not based on intelligence, mind intelligence. We are based on love, intuition, vibes, feelings. So how do we actually have success? Well, I'm ready to tell you that success doesn't come from the mind, but it's actually a leap that you have to make through your emotions, through your state of mind, let's say. But it's not a logical thing that you have to do, and actually being prepared, fully prepared in your body and mind to achieve that sense of success. Basically, it requires two things: being able to feel exactly the feeling that you have and knowing that you already have that, and second, not being attached to it. Basically, when you're not attached to it, you're ready to let go, so you don't really care about you being that, because you already know you are. So you don't wait for the exterior circumstances, for the exterior world of yours to actually send you the feedback that you already have it. You don't need to feel that sense of feedback anymore. And that is when you actually, yes, that is when you actually bring it into your reality, those kinds of things. Don't worry if you don't have the steps. Don't worry if nobody told you how to do it. Don't worry about anything like that, because this world is not logical. This world is intuitive. This is based on energy. So you just do these two steps in any area of your life that you want to improve, and it's guaranteed that you will have success. So this, wonderful friends, the two steps that you need to make in order to be successful in anything, which one is it? First one, being able to feel it and know it that you already have that, and second one, being able to let go. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a like if you like this video. Share it with a friend. Maybe they will realize that this world is actually not so logical, and it's actually based on energies and vibration. And this is how you actually create reality. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Mentally build this.